Question yethu kuyokugcina kade esho kanje. Athi use the work energy theorem to calculate work done by a frictional force experienced by the block from P to Q. From P to Q bafuna i-work done by frictional force. Bafuna le energy lena lost laphana kule object due to ilokhu njani i-frictional force le yabona. So kwenza kanjani? Angithi bathi siuze i-work energy theorem kodwa basho ukuthi only ngesinye isikhathi bazothi only la bazothi only kusho ukuthi awuvumelekile ukusebenzisa enye iformula. Uzosebenzisa yipi ile. Okay, manje ngoba kunale height le, ake size kule formula ekukhombisa ukuthi singayenza ngendlela ezimbili. Ile formula lethi since kune frictional force singasebenzisa yipi formula. Now kuseyiformula ye-work angithi nayo, then it's work done by non-conservative forces is equal to the change in kinetic energy plus the change in potential energy. Uyabona, angithi sifuna from la up to la. Uyabona, sisiyayihlukanisa. Work done by non-conservative force yipi non-conservative force? I-non-conservative force yipi? If ile frictional force le, uyabona, yeah, iyona ke non-conservative force le. Then shuthi khona i-work done by non-conservative force la yiwo wonke i-work done by non-conservative force sukwasho wonke mangakhi ke la iyodwa frictional force kuphela. Shuthi work done by frictional force kube khona enye bese sothi mhlawumbe work done by tension kube beyikhona ngoba yikho shuthi iyodwa le is equal to change umele ukuthi 1/2 squared final angithi energy kinetic energy final le minus initial plus sesiza kulo manje iformula ye-kinetic energy ithi mass times gravitational acceleration multiplied by height. Shuthi it's mgh final, height final, it's mgh initial. Yabona, i-mass iloku ikhona, i-mass isuke isekhona le 1/2 initial somfaka la eduze no height because ibona abashintshayo kunenkinga. So uzothi soya-substitute angithi la, so uzothi keep a common factor e-1/2 m la noma usubstitute kunje nasengenzele space ukuthi silokhu nje sibhaleke nala. Okay, 1/2 m umkhipha wasala lo nangu wasubuya minus wakhipha lo kwasala initial squared nangu. Sibuye ngapha ukhiphe u-m no-g mass iseyodwa no-g useyedwa kusele bani height final minus height initial. Usuya substitute ke la iyona le work done by frictional force le 1/2 i-mass iwu-2 kg lapha. Final velocity iwubani la kuleli point, stila la kuleli point isula ngoba iyona indawo ene-frictional force. 5 squared minus initial u-0 squared izishilo plus u-mass u-2 ulawo g u-9.8 constant. Height final ubani initial part le i-final part initial la iqale khona, final igcine sewu-0 bese ku-0 la i-height la kade seyi-exactly kwi-ground ingaphakamanga la. Futhi bese i-0 isuke kuthi uyehla ezofika la ku-0. Height final minus height initial beyikhayithi engakanani sengaphezulu beku-2 meters ezihamba yabo i-height iyancipha up until ayisekho seyinqo kwi-0. Futhi seku-finally u-2 meters. Usuka substitute ke la lo multiply by lo 1 5 squared ubani u-25 plus la ubani u-2 times 9.8 u-19.6 minus 2 u-17 okay, siya multiply singiphatha calculator 25 5 squared plus 2 iphuma kanje. Lo ngoba u0 ngivele ngamfaka la, sesiyazi ukuthi u1 lo mawumultiply kubili. Answer yethu iwu okay. Bese ngenza yazi okunye siyeke le part le, yabo ngishaye yonke mina la calculator. Minus 14.2 oku 14.2 joules. Why negative? Because iyakhombisa ukuthi energy that was lost uyibona ngesign ukuthi ibe negative mangabe be-energy lost. Iyona ke le. Noma uyenze ngayiphi indlela. Mawusebenzisa le formula le. Ilula ngale formula kumele ukwazi lokho. Yabo iformula yodwa ungayenza futhi ngale ndlela le. Uze kule formula ethi work net is equal to change in EK. Then i-work net yakho kuba yipi? Ama-net work done, ama-force, energy azongena la. Uzoba yini? I-work done by ini? I-frictional force yokuqala leyo. Plus, yabona? Senza njani-ke makunje? Angithi yabo akuna-angle la. Engla yikho la, akusiyo futhi incline. I-work enye esebenzayo kuba yipi-ke? Since kune-potential energy eziyehla le object yale, yenza njani potential energy? Iya-decrease angithi. Iyo-ke le enye work esisebenzisayo, energy by ilokhu njani? I-potential energy angithi, yabo? Then kuzoba yiyo-ke yesibili. Yabo ukuthi work done by ilo athi ngenze kanje. Okay, noma ngithi work done by height, ngivele ngenze kanje bese ngithi la ngithi sobonela ukuthi ngikhiphe kanjani common factor la kuzoba 1/2 m v final squared minus v initial squared plus 2a okay plus mg height final minus height initial. Kuba kanje, makune height kanje kuba kanje, yabo. Then ube sowenza-ke sothola lo. Okay, work done by frictional force vele uyamazi is equal to awumazi udinga yena. Then bese uthini-ke? Emva kwalapho sowuthini? Lokhu vele yabo ukuthi kubani lokhu kanje. Sorry, yazi bese esengenza lo kukanje, akekho lo kukanje. Bese ngenze ilokhu njani. Yabo ukuthi yilokhu change in kinetic energy 1/2 m v final minus v initial. Nakho lokho ngikushoyo. Bese sithi work done by le height sithini plus soba m g h. Uyabo bese iba njani-ke? Kube sowenza i-angle yakhona ukuthi le distance ewu2 meters ihamba ikiwa phansi angithi kusho ukuthi bekiwa downward, motion iya down. Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi i-angle between le distance le nalelo kune-motion ye-objects iyafana. Kusho ukuthi i-angle between bona u0, then ube sewuthi cos la, then kuzoba ubani? 0 degrees. La 1/2 then mase uyalokhu njalo, uyatranspose is equal to la ubani? U25 angithi la u5 squared u25. Lo uzomultiply nakukhipha 1 bese utranspose lo. Imass yakhe ubani? U2, u-g u9.8. Bese kuba ubani? Kuba ucos cos 0 degrees. Okay, sorry, cos 0 degrees u-mg height sengikhohliwe multiply by height yethu. Height yethu iwu2 meters, yabo. Kushuthi kuzo-multiply by 2 la. 2 bekumele ngimfake la kodwa kunankinga ku-multiplication. Sesithi 25 minus 2 multiply by 2. Ngithola kanje, yabo. U-minus 14.2. Kukanje. Mina ngi-advise ukuthi usebenzise le method le ngoba iyona ngithi siyijwayele ngale formula le, unless-ke bethi sebenzisa i-work energy theorem only, usungeza kule. Kumele wazi ukuthi since ingekho i-gravitational force i-angle la, futhi kuyi-angle kanje, kuyi-surface like curved ngale ndlela le, islope esi-curved. Uzosebenzisa le energy, i-potential energy, i-work done by potential energy. Lena yini? I-potential energy lo mgh eseyedwa, i-potential energy cos theta se-represent ukuthi sekuyi-work done by i-potential energy. Angazi noma iyezwakala yini.